dear students, we can go for the next problem. In previous class we have studied about exercise problems. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. As usual, we can go for next problem. Here we will see the problem 4u square 4u square plus 8u. Here constant is not given, so we have to take that plus 0. This is the first step we have to do. 4u square plus 8u plus 0. Here instead of x they have given u. Next step, we can take only 4u square and 8u. Here 4 is common in both the terms and u also common, so we can take 4u as a common. You will get u plus 2 times, because 4 into 2 8, u is a u, so you will get 4u separately and u plus 2 are the factors of 4u square plus 8u. So the value of 4u square plus 8u is 0 when 4u is equals to 0. So 4u is equals to 0, first one, and u is equals to, shift the 4 to right hand side, you will get 0 by 4. That is always u is equals to 0. Then another term u plus 2 equals to 0. Shift the 2 to right hand side, you will get u is equals to minus 2. So we have answer here, u is equals to 0 and u is equals to minus 2. Therefore the zeros of the polynomial is 0 and minus 2. So here we will consider that 0 is alpha, 2 is beta. So sum of the zeros, that is equals to alpha plus beta. Alpha is 0 plus beta is minus 2. So we will get the answer minus 2. That we will get through the formula method. Alpha plus beta is equals to coefficient of u divided by coefficient of u square. Here we have used u instead of x. How we will get means alpha plus beta is equals to minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Here we will get minus coefficient of u divided by coefficient of u square. So we will get minus coefficient of u is b divided by a. So minus of b is 8 and a is 4. You will get 4 to the 8 minus 2 you will get. So it has been verified, that hence it is verified. Then come to the product of the zeros. Product of the zeros, we will tell that alpha into beta. So we will get alpha is 0, beta is minus 2. Anything multiplied with 0 we will get 0 only, so answer is 0. We know that alpha into beta is equals to constant term, that is c divided by a. C is 0 divided by a is 4. 0 by anything is 0 only, so hence it is verified. So this is a problem we have to solve like this. When they give only two terms, then we have to assume that another term will be 0. Next we can go for next problem. Here we have to do the problem based on root. The question I will repeat once. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So the type of question is t square minus 15. When they give like that t square minus 15, we have to take t square means already we have taken t square, but minus 15 is there. That minus 15 we can consider as root 15 whole square. Root 15 whole square, it is 15 only, because square and the root will cancel each other, then we will get 15 only. Instead of 15 we can take root 15 square also. So we consider as t square minus root 15 whole square. There is no changes will happen instead of taking this one. Here it is in the form of a square minus b square formula. So a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. That has been applied here. T plus root 15, t minus root 15. The formula is given here. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we will get t plus root 15 and t minus root 15. So I will show here t plus root 15 equals to 0. Shift the root 15 to right hand side, you will get t is equals to minus root 15, and another t will get t is equals to plus root 15. So one of the thing is alpha, the minus will be beta. So we can consider like that, one will be plus and one will be minus. Now we can go for finding the sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta, that will be minus 15 minus root 15 plus of root 15, it will cancel each other, so you will get 0. And alpha plus beta as a formula method, coefficient of t is nothing is that means minus b by a. So minus b means that is 0 divided by 1, that will be 0 only. So the product sum of the zeros is 0. Then come to the product of the zeros. Here we will see the product of the zeros, alpha into beta, alpha into beta, root minus of root 15 into root 15. Root will get cancels each other, minus into minus, here minus into plus is there, minus root 15 into plus root 15, you will get minus into plus minus, and root 15 whole square will be, we will get minus root 15 whole square. Square root and root will cancel each other, 15 will be the answer you will get. So minus 15 is the answer, but here alpha into beta, that is equals to constant term divided by coefficient of t square. Constant term is minus 15, coefficient of t square is 1, nothing is there means we have to consider as 1, so we will get minus 15, hence it is verified. So third one and fourth equation is verified. This is the way we have to find the t square minus 15 problem. I hope you understand. Once I will clear the screen, you will take the step by step solution. Next on, further moving to next problem. Here we will see that find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. As usual, same problem we are taking now also, but problem is given with the changes in their positions. See here, 6x square is given, minus 3 is given, minus 7x is given. First, from the hierarchy we have to take that power should be high. So first we have to take 6x square, then another one 7x, then we have to take constant. This is the way we have to take. Next, as usual we written like this, 6x square minus 7x minus 3. This is the important step we have to take, otherwise we can't solve these problems. Then here 6 into 3, 6 3 is 18x square. So when we split this one, we have to get minus 7. So what is the number we will get? 9 2s 18. 9 minus 2, you will get 7. The higher value is 9 should contain minus sign. Here minus is there, so we have to get minus sign. Then we will take like this. Next step I will write here. 6x square, already we have given minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Here they have given this one 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Here we have to take first two terms. In first two terms the 3x is common. 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. So we have to take 3x common. So the remaining is 2x minus 3. And another two terms are there. Here we can take one common. So you will get 2x minus 3 as we take plus 1 as a common. So you will get 2x minus 3 as first term and 3x plus 1 as second term. So 2x minus 3 and 3x minus 1 are the factors of 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So we have to rearrange the problem, then only we can solve. So the value of 6x square minus 3 minus 7x is 0. Then we have to take the term one by one. 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Shift the 3 to right hand side, you will get 3. X is equals to 2x is equals to minus 3 will become plus 3. Then shift the 2 to right hand side, you will get 3 by 2. That is x is equals to 3 by 2. And here x is equals to, shift the 1 to this side, right hand side, you will get minus 1. 3 to right hand side, minus 1 by 3 you will get. Then the zeros of the polynomials are 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. That will be alpha, the another one will be beta. Then now the sum of the zeros, that will be alpha plus beta formula we have to apply. So you will get alpha plus beta. Alpha is 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. You will get, multiply taking the LCM, so you will get 6 is the LCM. So 9 minus 2 you will get, that is 7 by 6 will be the answer. According to the alpha plus beta formula also, you will get minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. We can take minus of coefficient of x is minus 7. Here we will see that coefficient of x is minus 7. Coefficient of x square is 6. The first term we have taken, that is 6. So minus of minus 7 will be plus 7 by 6. Hence it is verified. Come to the product of these zeros, that will be alpha plus alpha into beta. It is in the multiplication. So 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. So you will, 3 will get cancels each other. So minus 1 by 2 will be the answer. According to the formula, constant term divided by coefficient of x square, you will get minus 3 divided by 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So you will get minus 1 by 2. Both are verified, hence it is verified. I hope you understand. Once you take step by step, then you will understand each step. I will clear the screen. Take all the steps one by one. Write once, twice, you will understand yourself, then only you can solve any problem. I will clear the screen. What are the steps you need, you take. Next we are moving to another problem. 3x square minus x minus 4. Here it is very important. We have to multiply that minus 4 into 3. So 3 4s are 12. So minus 12 you will get. minus 12 x square, because minus 4 is there, here 3 is multiplied that 3x square. Then middle term will be minus 1x we have to get. So 3 4s are 12. We can get the higher value should be minus, so we have taken minus 4, and lower value is 3, so we have to take plus. 4 3s are 12, and 3 minus 4 we will get minus 1x. Here 3x, here 4x. So 3x square plus 3x and minus 4x minus 4. Here 3x we can take common, you will get x plus 3x. When we take common, x plus 1 will remain. Here minus 4 we have taken, means x plus 1 is remaining. We can take that 3x minus 1 as first. 3x minus 4 is one term, x plus 1 is another term. So we have to find the zeros of the following of given values. X plus 1 is equals to 0, x plus 1 that is equals to 0. Shift the 1 to right hand side, x is equals to minus 1. So then another term is 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 that is equals to 0. Shift the minus 4 to this side, so 3x is equals to minus 4. Shift the 3 to right hand side, you will get minus 4 by 3. Here minus 4 will be converted as plus, so you will get 4 by 3, only 4 by 3, that is the value. X is equals to minus 1, and another term is x is equals to 4 by 3. This is alpha, this is beta. So zeros are minus 1 and 4 by 3. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta, that is equals to minus 1 plus of 4 by 3. You will get the LCM we have to take. So we will get minus 3 by 3 plus 4 divided by 3. Minus 3 plus 4 means you will get 1 by 3. That is the answer of sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is minus plus 1 by 3. That is according to the formula alpha plus beta minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, that is equals to minus b by a. Always minus of b is minus 1. So you will get minus of minus 1 divided by 3. You will get 1 by 3 is the answer. Hence we have verified that one. Then come to the product of the zeros. Product of the zeros is alpha into beta. So minus 1 into 4 by 3, that we will get as minus 4 by 3. We know that alpha into beta, constant term divided by coefficient of x square, that will be c by a. So c is minus 4 divided by 3. Both it has been verified, that from equation 3 and equation 4 it is verified. I hope you understand this problem. Take step by step, whatever the points is necessary steps are there. Whenever you want to shift, take step by step. Once I will clear the screen, please take the steps. Next we are moving to the second main of the exercise 2.2. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial. Only we have to find the zeros. What are the zeros of the quadratic equation, or what is the given equation? We have to find the zeros. So the first problem is given x square minus 5x plus 6. Here x square having nothing means we have to take 1. So multiply 1 into 6, 6 ones are 6, you will get, split that one. Then when we have to split, we have to get minus 5 as a middle term. So 6 ones are 6. If you multiply it, 6 ones are 6, we have to get, when we add, you have to get minus 5. The higher value, here minus 5 is there, means the higher value should be minus, then the lower value should be plus. So minus into plus, minus you will get, but it will be not possible. So take another number. We can take another number as 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. So we can take 3 to the 6. If you multiply 3 to the 6, you will get, if you add 3 plus 2 you will get 5, but minus sign is there. Both the signs we have to take minus minus, so minus into minus multiplied with minus you will get plus. Minus minus, when we add you will get minus only, but we have to add the number. So you will get 1x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. I will write once again. 1x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. In these two terms we have to take two terms. Here x we can take common, here 2 we can take common. That step it is there. Here x we have to take common means x minus 3 is remaining. When we take minus 2, x minus 3 is remaining. So we will get the values x minus 3 into x minus 2. When we have to get the zeros of the polynomial, we have to take x minus 2 individually and x minus 3 individually. So you will get, come to this topic, x minus 3 is equals to 0, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Shift the minus 3 to right hand side, shift the minus 2 to right hand side, you will get x minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 we have to shift here means you will get plus 3, x is equals to 3. When we are having minus x minus 2, shift the minus 2 to right hand side, you will get x is equals to 2. Here x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 2 are the zeros of the quadratic polynomials. This is the answer for the problem given. The zeros of the x square minus 5x plus 6 are 3 and 2. I hope you understand. Once I will clear the screen, you take down all the points. This is the 2 marks questions. They may ask, it is so much easy problem. You can get 2 marks very easily. Don't forget the steps. Each step having marks. Here this step is not necessary, and this part we should come here, don't write here, and this is also not necessary. This or is not necessary because it is terms, we are finding the zeros. We will get the x value. Here also you will get x value, or will not come, so no need of or also. Thank you.